Hello everyone, welcome to Jennifer's Sewing and Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Russian yarn joining technique. It is a very strong join. You're first going to need a wide-eyed yarn needle and some clippers. You're going to clip the working yarn as close to the last stitch of the row if you are joining a new yarn, or if you are adding a ball of yarn that is the same color, you can join it anywhere in the row. It will blend in. Okay, so you're going to take your working piece, twist it a little bit, and you're going to thread it onto your yarn needle. And you're going to want to leave a piece that's at least, I'd say, 5 to 6 inches long. Okay. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to turn it. You're going to take your needle, and sometimes it's easier if you twist the yarn a little so you can see the separate threads of yarn. Okay, or you can just leave it. You're going to take your needle and you are going to weave it. Sometimes it's hard, that's why I like to separate it a little. And you're going to stick it through the strands of the yarn. And you're going to want to at least do a minimum of 2 inches, and you're going to thread it onto your needle. Get back on there. Okay. I might have went a little more than 2 inches. Okay, so you're going to have something that looks like this. Okay. All bunched up on your needle. You're going to leave a loop. Turn that around a little. You're going to have a loop, and then you're going to turn it back around. I like to stick my pinky through the loop so it stays open. Okay, you have to have the loop open. So grab your end of your needle, all your stitches on it, push it towards the eye of the needle, and you're going to push it off, all the way off the needle. And you'll still have your loop. Make sure you have your loop open. Kind of slipped off my finger there. And then you're going to take your tail, the tail piece, and you're going to pull it through those stitches. Okay, just like that. So it's pulled back off and through the needle. So pull your needle off. Make sure your loop is still on there, and then you're going to grab your stitches and just smooth it down. Okay, just like that. Then you're going to take your new yarn, whether it's a different color or if you're adding the same color, and you're going to stick it through your loop. Okay, just like so. So stick it through your loop, and make sure you pull it down enough so it's going to stay on there. Then you're going to come back to your end piece, and you're going to grab it, and you're going to make sure it's all the way up there. Run your stitches back up onto it, and then just pull them back down. So you're going to want it to close the loop. Okay? Now, it doesn't look terribly neat, but you get the idea. Then you're going to take the tail and just clip it off. Okay, so now with your new yarn, you're going to thread it onto the needle, and you're going to do exactly what you just did. So thread it back on, leave your tail, grab, and you're going to thread it through. You don't have to be particularly worried about leaving a loop, okay, because you already have it through the first yarn. Thread it a minimum of 2 inches onto the needle. I kind of make sure it's in a different between different strands. Okay, so like so, you have it threaded onto your needle again. I'm going to turn it over. Got a little twisted. Okay, so again, you're going to grab and push the stitches off your needle, and again you're going to pull the tail through like so. So you have your tail. This will be on your ball. So take it off your needle, make sure it's all the way tight, and then just smooth your stitches back over the yarn. Take your tail piece, clip it, and there is your Russian yarn joining technique. You don't really have to worry about these ends right away. They may stick out a little when you crochet it into the work. It will be a little thick on these particular stitches that these joins are in. And if the tails do stick out a little, you can just clip them off. And that is your Russian joining technique. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment box down below. Please like and subscribe to my videos. In my next video, it will be a requested video for a very good friend who I consider a sister. I will be showing how to do a granny square block. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.